Hey everyone, it's Shawn Malku at X2 Mortgage, and today I'm going to take 60 seconds of your day to show you how we can guarantee we're getting you the best interest rate possible on a home mortgage. Here at X2, we're a mortgage brokerage, which means we work with 30 to 40 different wholesale banks, lenders, and investors to make sure you're getting the best rate possible, and it takes us a couple seconds to price a scenario out, which is what I want to show you right now. So once we take your scenario and we actually price it into our system, it will price out all of our investors absolutely automatically. So as you can see, this is all priced out, and we can see which lenders are going to be the best priced for your specific scenario. And again, this is going to be wholesale pricing. So for example, at the very top, you can see that Loan Stream Mortgage is going to be the best rate for you at a 4.75, and it's actually giving a lender credit of $557. Versus if we go all the way to the bottom of this list and you were to call Land Home Financials for your specific scenario, that same rate is going to cost you $27,000. That's why it's super important to make sure you're actually going to the right place for your scenario, because that doesn't mean Land Home Financial has bad rates. They just have bad rates for your scenario. Now, another thing to look at is some of these banks actually have retail presences where you can actually call them and they don't only do wholesale. So for example, if you were to call Loan Depot, we're getting their Loan Depot wholesale pricing and we have the access to their wholesale rate sheets. But if you were to call them, they most likely wouldn't offer you this 4.75 rate at a $5,600 cost. They're most likely going to offer you a 4.99 rate at an even higher cost than what we're doing at a lower rate. And that's why it's super important to work with not only a mortgage brokerage, but a mortgage brokerage like X2 where we don't charge any fees, because on top of this wholesale pricing, another mortgage brokerage might charge you their fees on top of it. Luckily for us, our fees and our compensation is actually paid from the wholesale lender, so we don't have to charge you anything to offer you the wholesale pricing that I just showed you for this specific scenario. So call us today if you'd like us to price out your specific scenario. We'd be happy to help.